Conspiracy theory back when this place was used by the Democratic Party and the wood ladders rotted. There was a tall wood ladder. So anyway, they used the ladder and they put in a mic up there, a wiretap through the vent. And there's an attic space up there, so it'd be on the other side of the ceiling. And we've been hearing since they started to re-illuminate the house with microwave energy, them complain about the tree branch rubbing against the ceiling up there. Of course, they pick up the door slamming, sometimes maybe a loud vacuum cleaner when we're vacuum cleaning back here. But we suspect that that's maybe true, seeing as how we've got some kind of signal up there. So, anyways, I'll get up there and trim the tree so they can illegally wiretap my house. It'd be better if they beam the microwaves up higher than down here at the television. In order advice. But anyway, that was the conspiracy theory.